It's not only us in the civil society who are failing Haiti. Our friends in the international community are also failing Haiti. And the very reason why we do not want an intervention is because when there are boots on our soil, we get raped, we get killed, and we get cholera, and we have to fight for even an excuse after that. Is that there are Haitians in Haiti who are honest, who have integrity, and who are competent enough to rule their country. All we are asking for is a chance to do so. And so far, there's always been the United States of America hands on the scale, supporting unconditionally corrupt governments, sending troops that are raping us, that are killing us, and that don't even have the decency of acknowledging their